Hi guys, today on this video I'm going to show you how to replace the jet pump on this jet ski. It's a Sea-Doo GTI 2010, but the process is the same for older models, newer models, and even different models as long as they are Sea-Doos. Maybe you need to replace your carbon seal, maybe you need to replace an oil seal or anything different. This is how you're going to do to be able to remove the jet pump and install it successfully. Alright. We're going to start by removing these two bolts that hold the off-power assisted steering, or OPAS, in order to be able to free the directioner of our jet pump. So this right here is the reverse shell. We're going to have to remove this bolt here that controls the reverse shell, and also this other bolt here that controls the steering. This is the steering cable, and when it moves, that's what makes you steer when you're giving power in the water. Now that we removed all these here bolts, we're gonna have to remove the four 13mm bolts that hold in the jet pump cone in place. So again, it's four 13mm bolts. They are on the four corners here, and it's fairly easy to remove them. So now, with the cone removed, we're gonna remove the actual jet pump. We have these four nuts here on the corners. They are 17mm nuts. You have to remove them to be able to pull the jet pump out. Now, having removed all four nuts, all you have to do is give it a tug and actually pull out the jet pump. It should give you some resistance, but it should come out. Now, to install the jet pump, you're going to do the reverse work of removing it. You have these studs here. You're going to simply remove the nuts that were on it, and you're going to push the jet pump in there. You can't forget about this plastic part here, and to lube up your boot. That's where your shaft goes in.